Hey.
There's bubble wrap. Oh, it has Suzanne Person Associates. That's pretty cool.
Super mystery. Hi, I'm Adriana.
Hey, I'm Vanessa.
And we're here to talk about our new mystery boxes that we have coming in October. Spooky.
Spooky.
Okay. All right, so let's see what we have here.
I got excited and ripped it off.
Ooh.
So these retail at $59 and you don't know what you're getting. But there's some really good stuff in here, just FYI, because we've already kind of peeked at it.
I actually see two of my favorite products in here, but I'll talk about the first one, which is the Revision DEJ EyeCream. I definitely like it because it does help with fine lines, wrinkles, and also puffiness. DEJ means dermal epidermal junction, meaning it's not only working on the top of the skin, but also underneath the skin combination. So I highly recommend this product to a lot of my patients, even my patients that are just starting off in the cosmetic world. You do get a lot done with this product.
And you can use it all around your eye, which is really neat. Not most eye creams you can do that, and that one really takes care of even the hood of your eyelid. Ooh, this one's one of Dr. Bruce's favorites. Total Defense and Repair. So this is what we call a super screen, which gives you antioxidant benefit, but also protects you from the UVB and UVA rays, which is pretty neat, and it's a full-size product. This retails at $64 alone, so to get all this for $59 is really cool.
Would go for that one.
No,
I'm just kidding.
I just thought it was really cute. Look how cute it is.
It is really small. It's cute.
It's cute. This is really cute, but this is like one of our top-selling moisturizers. But it's not only moisturizer, it's actually a treatment as well, because it restores like the fatty acids that you already have. And it has really good active ingredients. I always recommend patients to do this like at the end of their night, just to kind of restore that moisture in their skin, and then that way they can wake up with a nice dewy glowy look.
The Revox 7 is another one of my favorite products. Revision is just, can I say that I love Revision? Mm-hmm. Revision overall is my favorite line. Reason being is I feel like they tailor to, one, I have very sensitive skin, and I feel like they tailor to a lot of patients with sensitive skin. It's like Botox, but in a bottle or in a cream. The reason being is it relaxes a lot of the fine lines and wrinkles where there's movement. So, for instance, the top of the lip, or even areas that we may not be able to do Botox underneath the eyes, and just different areas that you see over time where you want to do Botox but can't. The Revox 7 is perfect for that.
And for patients who just aren't ready to do Botox yet, this is a great product for them. And it retails at like $90 something. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So yeah, again, like getting all of these products, this is already by itself like a $300 skincare line, mm-hmm. and you're getting it for $59. You can't beat that.
Yeah. And the Total Defense and Repair is similar to something like this, but it is your sunscreen, and it's really helping with a lot of that pigmentation and the fine lines and wrinkles. Also, it does protect from, what is the light rays?
It's the UVB, UVA, and the UVR rays.
Yeah.
The infrared.
Yeah. So all of those lights that you think are not playing a factor into aging and the Total Defense and Repair helps from protecting that.
I like to call it like your power couple. I don't know why.
Oh, that's cute.
It's just like a cool name. Like, it's your power couple. You can't go wrong. It's protecting you, but it's also giving you some
power couple.
But yeah, this is a cool box idea. Each box is different, so you'll never know what you're gonna get, but I already like what we're getting.
Yeah, I agree. And whatever box you do get, if there's something that you're not too familiar with, give us a call. That's what we're here for. We can answer any questions as far as products and, take it from there.
So it gives you a little thing of what your box contains and what it actually retails at, which is really cool. That's nice. I was so almost spot on.
What did you say?
I said $300.
$300.
I was $35 off.
$300 and you get it for $59?
You get it for $59.
That is really cool. $335 and you get it for $59.
Can't beat it. And remember to always do your products on the back of your hand, not in the palm, because you don't want to waste the product in the palm of your hand. If you like our mystery box video, please comment, share, and subscribe down below.
Go ahead.
Thanks for chatting with us today. Bye.